Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV, where we help you make informed decisions about the products that matter. Today, we're checking out the Sanitaire Response Commercial Upright Vacuum, the SC5900A. If you're in need of a vacuum that promises reliability, durability, and top-notch performance across multiple surfaces, this one may just catch your attention. Let's dive into what makes this vacuum tick and whether it lives up to its commercial-grade claims. The Sanitaire Response is all about durability and performance, crafted with commercial environments in mind. This model features long-life motors and durable plastics, designed to take on frequent and rigorous usage. Whether you're a business owner or someone who just needs a machine that can stand up to the demands of heavy use, durability is front and center with the SC5900A. But does it live up to the hype? When it comes to surface versatility, the Sanitaire Response really stands out, and not just in theory. Thanks to its Surface Sense technology, this vacuum uses sonar to detect different floor types automatically. The vacuum then adjusts the brush roll speed for optimal cleaning on everything from hardwood floors to thick carpets. This means less guesswork on your part and more consistent cleaning results. Whether you're tackling a hardwood floor or a shag rug, you'll notice a marked difference in performance. Another feature worth highlighting is the integrated lighting. The built-in lights help illuminate your path while cleaning, especially in those harder-to-see, dimly lit areas, so nothing gets missed. No more vacuuming in the dark, literally or figuratively. With this addition, even the smallest dirt particles and debris are brought into the light. It's a small but significant detail that's easy to appreciate when you're cleaning under furniture or in poorly lit corners. But what about real-world cleaning scenarios? Let's talk usability. One of the most impressive aspects of this vacuum is its lightweight and maneuverable design. If you've ever used a commercial vacuum that feels like a chore to move around, you'll be pleasantly surprised by how easily the SC5900A glides through tight spaces, around furniture, and under low clearance areas. Its design helps avoid those frustrating moments where you have to constantly adjust or fight the vacuum to get it where you need it. Of course, no one likes emptying the dustbin, but with this bagless vacuum, that task is made simple. The bagless design not only eliminates the need for costly disposable bags, but it also makes maintenance a lot easier. You can quickly check how full the bin is and empty it when needed, saving you time and money. The vacuum also comes with onboard tools and a detachable handheld wand, giving you access to all those tricky spots like baseboards and upholstery, making cleaning above-floor surfaces a breeze. In terms of attachments, the multi-surface brush roll is a game changer. Designed with soft bristles for gentler cleaning on hard surfaces and stiffer bristles for a deeper clean on carpets, it really excels across different floor types. Whether you're dealing with fine dust, stubborn pet hair, or dirt that's deeply embedded in carpets, this vacuum has the flexibility to handle it all. Now let's get into some of the pros and cons. The pros are clear. The vacuum is incredibly durable, with commercial-grade materials that can withstand heavy-duty use. The Surface Sense technology is a standout feature, making it easier to clean different surfaces without having to adjust settings manually. The integrated lighting is a thoughtful touch, and the bagless system is not only cost-effective, but also easier to maintain. It's lightweight, maneuverable, and comes with convenient attachments for above-floor cleaning. But no product is perfect. While the lightweight design is great for maneuverability, it can sometimes feel a bit flimsy when compared to heavier-duty vacuums. If you're expecting a vacuum that's built like a tank, the SC5900A might feel a little light in your hands. Also, while the multi-surface brush roll is designed to work on both carpets and hard floors, you may still notice it's not as effective on deep pile carpets as it is on thinner rugs or hard floors. If your space is filled with thick carpets, this may not be your best bet. Noise levels are also something to consider. While not overwhelmingly loud, it's definitely not the quietest vacuum out there. For those sensitive to noise, this could be an issue. When evaluating its value for money, the Sanitaire Response SC5900A does a solid job in the commercial vacuum market. Its performance across multiple surfaces, coupled with durability and convenience features, positions it as a strong contender. However, it's important to note that it's not the cheapest option available. If you're a business owner or someone who values long-term reliability and ease of use, it could be a worthwhile investment. But for someone who's just looking for a home vacuum, there may be better options at a lower price point. Comparing this model to some of its competitors, like the Hoover Commercial Hush Tone or the Orec Commercial XL 2100 RHS, the Sanitaire SC5900A holds up well in terms of durability and performance, especially with its unique surface sense technology and built-in lighting. However, the Orec is generally a bit lighter and quieter, while the Hoover might offer better filtration for allergy sufferers. So those are factors to weigh depending on your needs. In terms of build quality, the Sanitaire response is solid but not without its drawbacks. The plastics feel sturdy enough for commercial use, but it's not the most premium feeling vacuum in its category. Over time, it should hold up well if properly maintained, but don't expect it to have the same long-term resilience as higher-end models. Maintenance is straightforward, with easy-to-clean filters and a simple dustbin. The brush roll does an excellent job picking up hair, but as with most vacuums, regular cleaning will be required, especially if you have pets. So, who is the Sanitaire response best suited for? If you're running a business or have a home that requires heavy-duty cleaning on various surfaces, this could be a great fit. It's built to last, easy to maintain, and comes with plenty of handy features that make cleaning a lot easier. On the other hand, if you're just looking for a lightweight, ultra-quiet vacuum for a small home or apartment, there might be better choices. It's not the cheapest, but it delivers consistent, reliable results, making it worth considering for those with demanding cleaning needs. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future cleaning reviews. We're always bringing you the best product insights to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. And remember, no mess is too big when you've got the right tools in your corner. Goodbye till next time. And keep those floors spotless.